You're sitting there right now, aren't you? Thinking about that *1* thing you really need to do. Maybe it's studying, hitting the gym, or just cleaning your incredibly messy room. But your body feels like it weighs 1,000 pounds. You call yourself lazy. You think you lack discipline. But what if I told you you're not lazy at all? Your brain is just terrified of the starting line. Look, today I'm going to show you a psychological secret so simple it almost feels illegal. It takes exactly 120 seconds, and it kills procrastination dead in its tracks. To fix this, you have to understand how your mind actually works. Psychologists talk about something called activation energy. Think of it like the mental friction of going from * doing nothing * to * doing the hard thing *. Your brain is hardwired to survive, which means it absolutely hates burning unnecessary energy. It loves comfort. So, when you tell yourself, I need to work out for an hour, your brain looks at that massive mountain of effort, hits the panic button, and whispers ... hey, let's just scroll on our phone for 5 more minutes, *, and we all know how that ends. So, how do we hack the brain? Enter the 2-minute rule. Here is the secret. Whatever task you are putting off, you must scale it down until it takes 2 minutes or less to do. Listen to me, you aren't going to read a whole chapter. You are going to read exactly *1* page. You aren't going to fold all your laundry. You are going to fold exactly *3 pairs of socks *. You aren't going to do a brutal 1-hour workout. You are just going to put on your running shoes and tie the laces. That's it. You have permission to stop after 2 minutes. Why does this actually work? Because of a crazy psychological glitch called the Zeigarnik Effect *. Human brains absolutely hate unfinished looks. Once you start something, even if it's just tying your shoes, your brain suddenly shifts gears. The hardest part wasn't the workout. The hardest part was just crossing the starting line. Once you take action, momentum takes over. Isaac Newton said an object in motion stays in motion. That's not just physics. That is human psychology. Don't trust me? Prove me wrong. Pick that one thing you've been avoiding all day. Give it 2 minutes. Set a timer on your phone right now. If you still want to quit after 120 seconds, fine, walk away. But I bet you won't. If this rule just saved your day, hit that subscribe button. Now close this app, start your timer, and get to work. Catch you in the next one.